Hi, I'm Bob Peterson and welcome to our video blog. Well, spring is here. The weather bounces back and forth here in Memphis, and it's time to get ready for our spring cleanup. If you're getting ready to sell your house or just get it back in good shape for the summer, spring cleanup means projects: weeding, mulching the flower beds, aerating the lawn, and washing the windows inside and out. Man, I get just tired thinking about it. Around our house, the window washing is a must because we have so many windows and doors. So this year, I've researched several window cleaners, and here's what I found. We have 42 windows and doors, and to clean, the cost ranges from $500 to $540 to do the inside and out. Unfortunately, these professionals start with a come-on price just to get you excited. My suggestion is to go to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy the Windex Outdoor Spray and Rinse for about $9 a quart. It usually takes me 2 bottles for our 42 windows outside when I use an extension to reach the second floor. The inside? Well, that's another story. Diane won't let me bring the hose inside. I guess that's another day, another project. Want our help? Give us a call or email us your name and phone number. And if you have a question, please don't hesitate to let us know. And thanks for watching this video.